For close round 34, after the last 2 chain, make a slip stitch top of very first bubble stitch here, and this round finish. Round 35, chain 1 for a start, 2 double crochet bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, 1 and 2. Now a bubble stitch here, 2 chain, 1, 2, a front post double crochet around first front post double crochet. Now 2 front post double crochet cluster around same front post double crochet, and next cluster 1 front post double crochet here, and the other one around this cluster or into these 2 loops here or here. 3 loops on the hook and a cluster. 2 chain, 1, 2, 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, then 2 chain, 1, 2, a front post double crochet in the center around this one, 2 chain, 1, 2, 2 front post double crochet around the next, 1 and 2, 2 chain, 1, 2, 2 front post double crochet cluster around this cluster and next front post double crochet, so 1 front post double crochet around this cluster and the other one around next front post double crochet. Now a front post double crochet around same front post double crochet here around this, but we have to move it down, then a front post double crochet here, two chain, 1, 2, 2 double crochet bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, 1 and 2, 2 chain, 1, 2, now 5 front post double crochet popcorn around this front post double crochet here, 1, 2, I just folded to do it better, 3, 4 and 5, now a popcorn here, 2 chain, 1, 2 and repeat the pattern, 2 double crochet bubble stitch here, then 2 chain, then a front post double crochet around next, now 2 front post double crochet cluster here, a front post double crochet around this one and the other one around this cluster here, now 2 chain, 1, 2, 2 front post double crochet around the next, 1 and 2, then 2 chain, 1, 2, a front post double crochet around the next, then 2 chain, 1, 2, a 2 front post double crochet here, 1 and 2, 2 chain, 1, 2, now 2 front post double crochet cluster around this cluster and next double crochet. So, and the other one around next. Now a cluster, another front post double crochet, top of same front post double crochet here, so pull it down and make a front post double crochet here, 2 chain, 2 double crochet bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, 2 chain, and 5 front post double crochet popcorn here, 2 chain, and repeat this pattern. And I come back here. For close round 35, after the last popcorn and 2 chain, make a slip stitch top of very first bubble stitch here, and this round finish. Round 36, chain 1, a bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, two chain, 1, 2, 2 front post double crochet, cluster around this front post double crochet and next cluster, so one here and the other one around next. Now a cluster here, 2 chain, 1, 2, a front post double crochet around this front post double crochet. Now around same front post double crochet and next we make a 2 front post double crochet, cluster 1 and the other one around next, 3 loops on the hook and the cluster, 2 chain, 1, 2, 3 front post double crochet around this front post double crochet in the center, 1, 2 and 3, 2 chain, 1, 2, 2 front post double crochet, cluster around this and next, 1 and 2. Now a front post double crochet around this one, so pull this down and a front post double crochet here, two chain, 1, 2, now 2 front post double crochet, cluster around this cluster and next front post double crochet, 1 front post double crochet here on finish and the other one around next. Now a cluster, 2 chain, 1, 2, 2 double crochet bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, two chain, 1, 2, a front post double crochet around this popcorn, 2 chain, 1, 2 and repeat the pattern, a bubble stitch here, two chain, 1, 2, 2 front post double crochet, cluster here, a front post double crochet around first front post double crochet and the other one around this cluster to make a cluster here, 2 chain, Now here a front post double crochet around first front post double crochet, now 2 front post double crochet, cluster, 2 chain, 3 front post double crochet around this front post double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, 2 chain, 1, 2 and 2 front post double crochet, cluster here, 1 and 2, now a cluster, now another front post double crochet around this one here, 2 chain, another cluster here, two chain around this bubble stitch, then 2 chain and the front post double crochet around this popcorn, 2 chain. Continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here to close this round.